Like, see how smooth that is? I mean, there's nothing with that. It's beautiful. Hey guys, you ever had some windows you needed to caulk, or a bathroom sink or something like that, and you use caulk silicone and you put it on there, run a nice bead, and you run your finger down it, it looks like garbage? I got a way I'm going to show you today to put it on there. It's going to look professional, it's going to look good, it's not going to smear everywhere, it's not going to stick all to your finger like the silicone is really bad about doing. It's not going to do that. So watch this video and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. What we're going to do is take some dish soap. So all we're going to do is I filled this up with water first. We're going to put a couple drops. Okay, I'm going to just shake it up a little bit. Alright, so watch, we're going to get some of this on our finger, just regular, not wet, not using the soap and water, nothing. Let's get this on here, okay, so there's some on here. And just look how this stuff is nasty, like it don't come off, it sticks to you, it's awful, okay? See, that's just a little bitty dab of it. Just think if you just put a whole line of that, take your finger and you run it through it, it's gonna be awful. It's gonna be a disaster, okay? So, check this out. First off, let's spray this real good, okay? Look how that starts breaking it up. It's off my fingers, so it's not sticking anymore, okay? So, same thing here. Look at your window. So when you get it on there, you want to spray it all down real good. I've already done. I'm going to show you some more here in a minute, but spray it down. Just put a good amount. I mean, it ain't going to be a ton, but the soap there, and then like I can glide my finger across this right now. And like, I mean, nothing. Doesn't matter. It's nothing. And that is smooth. Like, see how smooth that is? I mean, there's nothing with that. It's beautiful. What I'm doing is caulking these windows here, siliconing them. There's a little gap here, so we're going to fill that in, then we're going to spray it with our magic potion, and then we're going to run our finger down it, and it's magically not going to stick. You don't have it all strung over your wood piece here. This is cedar on the outside that I've cased these out with. So I mean, as you can see, it's nice and smooth all the way around the window. So that little bit of dishwashing soap, whatever from your sink, doesn't matter what brand, put a little bit of that in there, shake it up with some water, you're in business. So I'll show you some more footage of some of these other windows, and just so you guys get a view of how exactly I'm doing it. And hopefully this is a help too, because it actually is a very big mess. If you're doing, like I said, a countertop or something like that, and you go put that 100% silicone on there and you take your finger and right down through there and it looks like trash. Do this next time and it won't. Secret weapon, water, just soap. Let's spray it all down real good, all the way down through here. Make sure you got a little on your fingers. Here's what I kind of do first. I kind of just pat it down first, just to try to get it in the groove where I want it. Okay, so I don't just start smearing it. I just kind of press it down in there where I want it so it doesn't smear everywhere. Got little ridges on it there, you can see where I'm just the finger indentions, but just hang on, we'll smooth all that out. You won't see any of that in just a minute. Just kind of work your way down through here, pushing it in. Okay, down there to the bottom, same thing. Just kind of work that in. Okay. All right, what I like to come back and do again is go ahead and spray it. I'll be pretty liberal with the spray, because really the soap is what allows this to not stick to you and spread out so smooth. But it all is going to dry and it ain't gonna matter. So now you can kind of take it and just work with it. Kind of smooth down like this on it. Get you up here so you can see. Let's go down through it a couple times and make it real nice and smooth. I mean, that's gliding right now. It's just like almost like a slip and slide when you got water on it, you throw a little soap on it. That makes all the difference in the world, doesn't it, when you do that? All right, so I'm gonna run down this one more time and then I want to show you up close here. So look at that joint there. I mean, it's nice and smooth. It's nice and neat. It's not all caked all over the window and caked all over the cedar trim on the outside. There's a few spots here and there, but nothing major. So I guarantee you, if you put that on there dry and you would just take your finger and do this number right here on it, it would be, I've done it. I know it would be because I have done it more than once. And this right here solves all those problems. It makes it so much neater. Doesn't look like you did such a good job on everything. It looks good, and then you caulk it and you're like, dude, what did you do? That looks like, yeah, I mean, looks like dog mess. So, try this the next time. So guys, I hope this tip has been helpful for you. If you do this, if you ever done it, if you've done it at all, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You hit that with your finger when it's dry and it gets all gutted up. Half of it's on your finger. It's smeared all over everything you're trying to do. And it looks like trash when you get done. So, give this a try next time and see how it works. This is Eric with Project DIY, and remember, why hire a guy when you could DIY? Thanks for watching.